So next, we have reached the final specification, specification number 8, which asks us to discuss the role of diet and exercise in reducing the risk of coronary heart disease. We already know that exercise is very important for our overall health, and now we will explore how regular physical activity, along with a healthy diet, can help prevent heart diseases and keep the heart functioning efficiently. So, as we can see in this chart, it highlights several lifestyle changes and health practices that can significantly reduce the risk of developing coronary heart disease. These include quitting smoking, going for regular health checkups, maintaining a balanced diet and exercising regularly, as well as managing stress and limiting alcohol consumption. These simple yet effective precautions are essential for keeping the heart healthy and preventing heart-related problems. One of the most important steps in reducing the risk of coronary heart disease is to quit smoking. Stopping smoking prevents further damage to the blood vessels, helps lower blood pressure, and improves overall heart and lung function. Another key factor is maintaining a healthy diet. Reducing the intake of animal fats, fried foods, and high cholesterol items helps to lower blood cholesterol levels. At the same time, increasing the consumption of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and fiber-rich foods supports heart health. Choosing lean proteins like fish, skinless poultry, and plant-based options, while limiting salt intake, helps control blood pressure, supports weight management, and maintains a healthy body mass. Regular exercise also plays a crucial role. Physical activity helps burn excess calories and maintain a healthy weight. It strengthens the heart muscle, improves circulation, lowers blood pressure, reduces cholesterol, and decreases the resting heart rate. Exercise also helps reduce stress and improves mental well-being, which further benefits heart health. It is equally important to limit alcohol consumption, as excessive drinking can raise blood pressure and contribute to weight gain, both of which increase the risk of heart disease. Managing stress through relaxation techniques, proper sleep, and effective time management also helps prevent stress-related increases in blood pressure. Finally, regular health checkups are essential. Monitoring blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar allows for the early detection of risk factors, making it easier to prevent coronary heart disease before serious problems develop. By combining these practices, healthy diet, regular exercise, avoiding harmful habits, managing stress, and regular monitoring, we can significantly reduce the risk of developing heart disease and maintain long-term cardiovascular health. So finally, I want to say that our heart is precious, tirelessly keeping us alive by pumping blood every moment. Don't let anyone break it or make it lose its worth in your eyes. Take care of it with healthy habits and regular exercise, because a healthy heart is the foundation of a happy, active life. So that brings us to the end of Unit 11.2 on the heart. I've added the topical notes for this unit as well in both the description and the comments, so feel free to go through them whenever you want. I hope my videos help make your studies a little easier. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.